If you are over 60, I want you to stop whatever you're doing and listen closely. The truth is, the small habits you practice every single day either protect your independence, or slowly and quietly take it away. And most people do not realize it's happening until they have a close call, a dangerous fall, or a health scare that could have been prevented months or even years earlier. Today I want to share 7 daily habits that seniors around the world tell me have changed everything for them. These are tiny adjustments that make life safer, smoother, and much easier. You do not need fancy equipment, you do not need expensive gadgets, and you definitely don't need to overhaul your life. You only need a few small shifts in your daily routine. If your goal is to remain strong, steady, confident, and independent as you age, do not click away. These 7 habits can help protect your health, your home, and even your peace of mind. Welcome back to Golden Guidance. I'm your host today, and together we make life after 60 not only safer but more empowering. Let's begin. Tip 1, the 20-second morning stability habit. Most people do not know this, but the human body goes through a major blood pressure drop at night. When you wake up, your blood pressure is at one of its lowest points of the entire day. If you stand up too quickly after lying down for hours, you can feel dizzy, lightheaded, or unsteady. This is one of the most common reasons seniors fall first thing in the morning. Here's the simple fix: each morning, before you stand up, sit at the edge of your bed for at least 20 seconds. While you sit, move your feet. Circle your ankles. Wiggle your toes. Flex your calves a little. Take a few slow breaths. This gives your blood pressure time to rise and your balance sensors time to wake up. After 20 seconds, stand up slowly, not quickly. If you feel steady, then begin walking. If not, wait a moment longer. This tiny habit alone can prevent more falls than almost anything else you do. Tip 2. Create a home base basket in every important room. After 60, bending, searching, reaching, and walking back and forth for items becomes tiring and sometimes dangerous. If you notice yourself wandering from room to room looking for the same items, your glasses, your phone, the remote, your charger, it is time for a new system. Place a small basket in every main room you use. For example, in the living room, a basket with your glasses, remote, tissues, notepad, and a pen. In the bedroom, a basket with your phone charger, lotion, lip balm, and anything you often use at night. In the kitchen, a basket with your daily medications, vitamins, or reading glasses. Near your favorite chair, a small basket with your crossword puzzles, books, or TV essentials. These baskets should be easy to reach without bending or stretching. The home-based basket idea reduces clutter, reduces searching, and prevents accidents caused by unnecessary movement. It also brings a sense of calm to your day, knowing everything you need is always in the same place. Tip 3. The doorway posture reset. As we get older, posture often changes without us realizing it. We start rounding forward, lifting our shoulders, lowering our chin, and tightening our chest. This is not only uncomfortable, it affects balance, breathing, and confidence. Here is a simple posture habit to adopt. Each time you walk through a doorway, stop for just 10 seconds and reset your posture. Here's how: gently roll your shoulders back. Lift your chest slightly. Raise your chin to a comfortable height. Take 1 or 2 deeper breaths. Stand tall, as if a string is gently lifting the top of your head. You will feel the difference almost immediately. Better posture improves balance, helps the spine stay aligned, reduces back and neck pain, and improves the quality of your breathing. It even improves your sense of presence, because good posture makes you feel more confident in your body. Doorways are natural reminders, so use them to practice tiny posture resets throughout your day. Tip 4. Adopt the safe floor rule. Every fall prevention expert agrees on one thing: your floors should be clear, predictable, and easy to walk across at any time of day. That means, no loose rugs that slip or curl at the edges. No electrical cords across the floor. No clutter piles near walking paths. No boxes or laundry baskets in hallways. Avoid shoes left in random spots where you can trip over them. If you absolutely must keep a rug, make sure it is secured with a non-slip mat or rug grip. Ask yourself this simple question: is anything on my floor worth a broken hip? If the answer is no, then it gets cleaned up, moved, or secured. Removing tripping hazards is one of the fastest ways to make your home noticeably safer in just one day. Tip 5. Do a 1-minute kitchen safety sweep every evening. The kitchen is a place of joy, but it is also one of the biggest areas for senior accidents. Water on the floor, stove knobs accidentally left on, or cords hanging off counters can all cause major danger. Before you go to bed or leave the house, take 1 minute for a quick safety sweep. Check 3 things. Are all stove knobs in the off position? Are there any spills or wet spots on the floor? Are there any cords or appliances hanging near the edge of the counter? That's it. 1 minute. But this habit prevents fires, falls, burns, and electrical accidents. And it gives you peace of mind knowing everything is safe before you rest for the night. Tip 6. Drink 1 glass of water before coffee. Most seniors start their day with coffee. The problem is that coffee is a diuretic, it pulls water out of the body. And after sleeping all night, you are already dehydrated when you wake up. Mild dehydration causes more problems than people realize: dizziness, weakness, confusion, fatigue, poor balance, headaches, dry mouth, constipation. Before drinking your first cup of coffee, drink 1 glass of water. Not a sip. A full glass. You will feel more awake, more alert, more stable on your feet, and more energized throughout the day. This habit improves the brain, digestion, joints, and overall mood. And it's simple enough to start tomorrow morning. Tip 7. Write down 3 daily wins. One of the challenges of aging is feeling like days blend together. That can lead to low motivation or feelings of slowing down. But here is something powerful you can do. Every day, write down 3 small wins. These should be simple and achievable. Examples include: I took a 10-minute walk. I stretched my legs. I organized my drawer. I spent time outside. I called a family member. I drank more water. I made my bed. I cooked a healthy meal. This list becomes proof that you are still making progress, still learning, still moving, and still in control of your life. Psychologists call these microachievements, and studies show they dramatically improve mood and confidence. 3 wins per day. Every day. Watch how your mindset shifts in just a week. Conclusion. These 7 simple habits can help you feel more steady, more confident, and more in control of your daily life. They are not dramatic, and they don't require years of training. They are small, everyday choices that build up over time. By practicing these habits, you protect your independence, your mobility, and your safety. You are taking active steps toward a healthier and more secure future. You are not slowing down. You are adjusting, improving, and choosing to take care of the life you've worked hard to build. Tell me in the comments, which one of these habits are you going to start today? Is it the morning stability routine? The home base basket? The daily wins list? Something else? Your answer may inspire someone else who needs encouragement. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss another senior safety or wellness tip. Thank you for spending time here with me on Golden Guidance. Take care of yourself, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.